So we have a chemistry question that says fluorine gas is bubbled through a solution of potassium bromide. So write a balanced chemical equation. Okay, you need to understand this is a test tube, and inside this test tube there is a solution of potassium bromide. Potassium bromide is just a colorless white substance or crystal, okay, in simple terms. So when they say fluorine gas, it is just a yellowish gas which has a chemical symbol of F. Now, you need to understand that when it comes to observation, when the gas, which is fluorine gas, reacts with this solution, then the colorless solution of potassium bromide will turn brown due to the presence of bromide, which has been replaced by fluorine. Why? Because fluorine is more reactive than what? Than bromide there. Now, what you do here is this. Since they want us to write the chemical equation, so what you do here is this. Since they have said the fluorine, which is supposed to react with this one, so the symbol for fluorine, it is F. Now, you must know that fluorine is found in group 7, and fluorine, in its natural state, it occurs as a diatomic. So meaning you put a 2. In what state is it a gas? So you put a G. You say plus. Now, this one is reacting with potassium bromide. Potassium, the symbol, it is K. And then bromine, which is now bromide, has a symbol of what? Br. So now this is the chemical formula. So potassium has a valence of 1 will come here. So bromine has a valence of 1 to come here. So here there is 1, there is 1. So in what state is it aqueous? Because of the presence of water, you say equal. Now, since we know to say fluorine is more reactive than bromine, then this bromine will be replaced. Meaning that now this one will come here, then this one will come there. So we're going to say like this. Now you must understand that bromine in its natural state, it occurs as a diatomic, meaning there are 2 atoms like this. So you put a what? A liquid. Because of the presence of a solution, meaning there was water. So now you say plus. Now what is going to be formed here? It will be potassium fluoride like this. So aqueous state like this. You have seen? Yes. Now the question is not done, because they're saying we need to balance it. So now here there is 1 for fluorine. So 1 times 2, it is 2 for fluorine. So we check. So here there is what? Here there is 1 for fluorine. So meaning we're supposed to put a 2 in front here like this. So that if I say 1 times 2, it is 2 for fluorine. 2 times 1 for fluorine, it is 2. So fluorine is balanced. So now we check for, we can even check for these 2 here, for potassium. So 2 times 1, it is 2 for potassium. But this side, we only have 1 times 1, which is 1. So meaning we're supposed to add another 2. So that if I say 2 times 1, it is 2 for potassium. 2 times 1, it is 2 for potassium. So fluorine is balanced. Potassium is balanced. How about bromine? So we say 2 times 1 here, it is 2 for bromine. So 1 here times 2, it is 2. So this here is the answer.